What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to post something in youtube.com. Before starting this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe. So let's get started. First of all, open a browser like I'm opening Google Chrome browser. After that, type for youtube.com. Now you can see YouTube homepage. From here click to profile icon and then go to view your channel. Now you can see our channel. From here click to post and here is post section. You can post image, image pool, text pool, video, quiz, etc. Now I want to write a text pool. After that just click to post. You can also schedule your post. I want to post right now, and that's it. You can post anything in youtube.com using this method. See you in the next video. Bye.